All right, guys, we just got here to the Keep 'em Litty event. Give you guys a quick walk around. This is the setup. We just got the bike rack. We got our spares strapped to it. Yeah. Gonna have a good day today.
What's up, guys? It's lit out here.
It is.
Litty boys.
Let's go.
Woo!
Doing it just like how they do it in Japan. Yeah.
How much you charge to flip?
$50 this way.
Yeah, you did it. Good thing you painted it. You're doing good.
Yeah, it's super fun.
Shouldn't have power lapped it. I went too wide up in the top, but that was so cool.
So today we're gonna show the Z a little bit of love.
Whoa. You went ham, huh? That was ham.
Oh my gosh. I messed up his whole flares. I'm sorry.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
How bad it
It's part of drifting.
is.
This thing is sick. Okay guys, so we're gonna call it a day. It's about 4:30 right now. The cars took a beating, as you guys can see. The clutch is actually slipping, the muffler is just hanging. So we're gonna call it a day. We got a 2-hour drive ahead of us. I don't wanna push the car harder than I already did. Hopefully get this car cleaned up again. It was a super good event. Definitely will come back. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. The Z did an amazing job. We're gonna go ahead and clean it up and give it the love that it deserves. Just want to give a big shout out to Josh and Francis for throwing a super dope event, and all the Keep 'em Litty guys. I can't wait to drive with you guys at the next event. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace out and stay good.